So today we're going to discuss about the right of private defense. What do you mean by the right of private defense? A right of private defense is usually used when the person has to protect themselves in the cases where they have been abused in a wrong way, where they have been touched, and it is the defense that they take. It is to protect them. This right is usually for the self protection of an individual. First, the person has to protect themselves and then to protect the other person. So when the person knows and they feel that there is a harm which is caused to them or which can be causing to that person, so in order to protect themselves from that harm, when they know that there is no possibility where they can call the police or they can approach the police stations, or can have the help of the public authorities or the individuals, then in those cases these people can take the defense of private defense. Not only that, but also that when we are talking about the right of private defense, we should always mention about the section 96 to section 106 of the Indian Penal Code, where one can use the right of private defense. In the section 96, it has been mentioned that the person can protect themselves, and by themselves they can protect if they think that there is any danger which is happening to them from the other person. So they can protect themselves, the other person, or their own body, the place where they live, the property where they live in. So here we are talking about the right of private defense. They can protect themselves as well as the property of others and the body of others. The right of private defense is provided to all the individuals of our country. They can use the right of private defense in order to protect themselves from these situations, from the major situations where they know that they cannot approach any public authority. So, the section 97 as well as 106 of the section says that in cases where when one person has to protect themselves and they know that certain situations can lead to death, then also in the happening of certain instances, they can use the private defense. They can use any instrument which they find to protect themselves from the other person. So this is all about right of private defense, which comes under section 96 to 106 of IPC.